Lake Union, and it's this high. And they've opened up that door, still open. And they're about, I don't know, good 15 to 18 feet below us. So we'll reverse the process to bring them. Yeah. That's the depth difference of the water. It's probably a good 20 feet higher here than down here. 20 feet, that's a lot. Nice. Closing the gate back here. Closing the gate. Okay, it's a Seattle Rescue type vehicle. When that closes, they'll drop the water level. Okay, this is the Hiram M. Chittenden locks, where the boats go up and down through the sound. This water's lower. It's been dammed off. And the water over there is higher, and it's changing in depth. And this boat's starting to go through the lock at a higher level. I think they just brought it up to meet the level of the water over there. There they go. Klondike Dreams. So the water up there is a lot higher. That's a raised bridge there for sailboats or whatever, bigger boats that come over. This is how they raise the water. See how low the water? This is, I guess, downstream or whatever. They raise the water quite a bit with huge pumps to bring it up. Yeah. That's kind of cool. Powerful doors to where we're going through here. And this is the maritime instructor vessel where students come to learn how to run the locks and run a ship, run a miniature ship at least. Learning. Drop at least 15 feet. You have the instructor vehicle and looks like a police boat in the back, and they're both going to drop at the same time. Underneath that, that's a French bridge. What's it, a guillotine bridge, they said? Something?
French for seesaw.
Seesaw bridge with the concrete that holds it up, ballast. The water level is going right down now. The whole thing's sinking. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Going down, boys. And I can catch up with the lower water level about 18 feet below. Lost about 6 feet now. Kind of interesting. Like a sinking ship that isn't sinking. Ha! Ready now. Opening the gates. Those big arms pulling it back, hydraulic arms.
Maybe the rope took a secondary.
All the barnacles down there? No. I bet the outside is wood. So like a sort of a protector type thing. Steel, mostly. Yeah, they've really sunk down about 18 feet below the water. What's that, Lake Union up there or something?
Like Union.
Yeah, Lake Union, about 18 feet below. Getting ready to go now. Nice good training boat here. Learning the ways of the sea. The sea is a lovely lady, but she can be mean. Arr. Right. There you go. Cruising on out. What a life. Watch your lines. There they go. All right.
Yes. Well, they both turn red, probably to attract to it. But, just the keratin makes them stronger like that one. No, I think the red is already in them. I think what happens is they lose a lot of the silver from their scales. Maybe it's a protein that they use up. So the red actually is inside their flesh and it comes out towards the skin. So it becomes more visible. And that's why when you, like if you were to cut open a dead salmon that spawn, it'll be light inside and red on the outside. And when they're out in the ocean, it's the opposite. So the same keratin just comes out. Good question. Thank you, because I forget you're still early in the season.
Cranked in now. Got the U.S. Corp Army engineers here. Got the little winches going. Pretty nice. Looks like an aluminum boat. The twin Yamahas. Pretty awesome. I wore that same uniform in Job Corps, welding training. The Dickies full suit, work suit. It's nice how they're harnessed in. That's safe, so if they fall, they won't fall too far. Be all right. These guys are repairing these doors that are leaking a little bit. Got their Dickie uniforms on. Looks like they got a secondary door in front of it so they can work on it. They're moving a big piece. You see that? With the crane here. Nice. Putting it in place, the centerpiece here. They're strapped off correctly. Nice. Crane holds. Yeah. In the drink it goes.
So what they're putting in right now of this spillway are little scoops that will let the salmon into the freshwater. So they'll put on these little
For the fish, I guess. It's fishy business. Nice. All right, guys. Fixing it right in there. Good job, boys.